How to create Payoneer account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can create a Payoneer account step by step. Whether you're a freelancer, an e-commerce seller, affiliate marketer, or just looking for an easy way to receive international payments, Payoneer is an easy or powerful platform trusted by millions of professionals worldwide. Stick around until the end, because I'll also share some important tips to avoid account issues and get your account verified faster. So first things first, let's talk about what exactly is Payoneer. Now, Payoneer is a financial services company that allows you to receive international payments, withdraw through your local bank, and even get a physical or virtual for spending. It's used by top platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Airbnb, Amazon, eBay, and many more. It supports over 200 countries and 150 currencies, making it ideal for global freelancers and sellers. And so, let's get started by heading over to the official website of Payoneer, which is payoneer.com. Once inside, you then have to click on the register button. Now from here, we will then be asked for our first name, last name, mobile number, your work email, registered business name, and the website address. Now you also have this option right here on telling them what your business is about. Now in here you have options like I'm receiving overseas payments only, I'm sending overseas payments only, I'm both sending and receiving payments, or I don't receive cross-border payments. So you can just fill out the necessary information for the registration right here. You can also click on the open your account option for it to go ahead and pop up on the page. Basically, you just have to choose what best describes your case. You have freelancer, online seller, affiliate marketer, and more. Now, once again in here, you want to fill out your information to basically avoid some issues on the verification that you will go ahead and have after you have created your account. Now, inside the full name, you want to make sure that it matches with your ID, because you have to go ahead and submit a government-issued ID in order to get verified here on Payoneer. You have your email, date of birth, and residential address, not a PO box. You then have a mobile number for the two-step verification. You want to make sure that all of your info is accurate and up to date, as it will be used for identity verification. Right after, you then want to set up your security and account setup. Next, you will have to create your login credentials. So you have to choose a strong password, and you have to set up a security question and answer. You want to confirm your phone number with a verification code. Once that's done, you will be moved on the bank details. So in my case, I've already created my account, but you can just go ahead and follow along for the on-screen instructions. All you have to do is to navigate through the add your bank option. From there, you'll then have to enter your local bank information for withdrawals. You want to choose your bank country, currency, and input the account number and the bank name. This step is necessary to withdraw money later on. Now, as a pro tip, you want to make sure that the bank account name matches your Payoneer account name to avoid verification issues. And so, if you go ahead and withdraw money from your Payoneer through your bank account, you will not go ahead and have issues in doing so, because both of the accounts matches your identity for both of the banks. Now, right after that, you then have to basically submit a verification document. So after opening up your own dashboard right here, you will be able to see the verification option at the top of your screen. Now, I've already verified my account, but once again, you can just go ahead and see it on this page. And basically, in order to finalize your account, you'll need to submit a valid government-issued ID. It can be your passport, national ID, or driver's license. You need a possibly proof of address like a utility bill or a bank statement. And lastly, in some cases, additional documents depends on your country. Verification usually takes 1 to 3 business days, and you'll get an email once your account is ready to go. Basically, inside your dashboard, you will then be able to go ahead and navigate through the sections right here. Now, to access your payments, you just want to navigate through the Get Paid option, and from here you want to simply select on the receiving accounts. So inside this page, you will be able to get your bank information for a specific currency. For example, if we want to go ahead and get a bank information for USD or US dollar, we can just go ahead and get it from here. We then have our guidelines for the bank information or the bank account. Only payments for business transactions from a business account are supported. You then have the beneficiary name and address used for the transfer must match the account holder name and address in your Payoneer account profile. Now, this section right here is best if you're someone who sells online, maybe on eBay. You can just go ahead and use the specific bank information right here in order to put it in your eBay account as a receiving bank account. Now, once again, you will be able to go ahead and request or send payments inside this page, or you can order a Payoneer card for ATM withdrawals and online purchases. You can just click on the card options, and from here you will be able to simply order a card. Now, you can receive payments at least 100 USD or equivalent to your account in a 6-month period. You can just click on the Learn More option, and from there you will be able to basically receive a card for Payoneer. But once again, you must receive a total of 100 USD to your account for a 6-month period in order to basically withdraw a card or get a card here on Payoneer. Now, how can you go ahead and start using Payoneer? You can now connect your Payoneer account on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or freelance.com for freelancers. You can use it for eBay, Amazon, or Shopify for sellers. And lastly, you can use it for affiliate networks like CJ, Impact, Share a Sale, and more. Simply go through the platform's payment settings and add your Payoneer account or bank details provided in your dashboard. Now, let's talk about some common mistakes to basically avoid. You don't want to use fake information. It will get your account flagged. You always want to match your name and details with your ID. You want to keep your phone number updated. And lastly, if you don't verify your account, you won't be able to receive money. You want to make sure to respond quickly if Payoneer asks for extra verification in order for your account to not get flagged right here. And so that's it. You can now go ahead and use Payoneer fully. You now have a fully set up Payoneer account. You're ready to start receiving international payments and growing your online business. If this video has helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with any questions. I'll be replying as many as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.